There are two bells that ring on regular intervals. The first bell rings every 15 minutes and the second bell rings every 18 minutes. Both bells ring at noon. What is the next time that both bells ring? Okay, so in this problem there are two bells. One of them rings every 15 minutes and the second one rings every 18 minutes. Both bells ring at noon. Noon, for those who didn't know, is 12 o'clock p.m. What is the next time that both bells will ring? So some people looked at this problem and they thought they saw P words because of the word every. However, you can only P if there is no number after the word every. This is a different kind of problem that we've only done a couple times. So I just want you to think, we have two bells. Here's the first bell, and it rings every 15 minutes. And the second bell rings every 18 minutes. When are they going to ring at the same time? Well, after 15 minutes, when is the next time the first bell is going to ring? Let's see if you can figure that out in your head. If it rings every 15 minutes, it'll ring at 15 minutes, and then call it out if you think you know what's next. Yeah, if you said 30, you would be right. And what you might be noticing is that all we're doing is rolling our 15s. So let me roll with 15s a little bit. 15, 30, and just to save time, 45, 60, 75, 90, and I think after that is 105. So that's when the first bell rings. Now, we're hoping that at some point after we roll our 18s, one of these numbers will pop up. So I'm going to roll the 18s for you now. It goes 18, 36, 54. So far I don't see any matches. 72, 90. I remember writing down the number 90. It's here and here. Now, I know in 5th grade you learned that this kind of problem is actually called LCM problem, a least common multiple problem. Now you're looking for an answer of 90 and all of a sudden you're like, oh snap, all I see are times here. But you have to remember that the bell first rang at noon and now it's going to ring 90 minutes later. So, if the bell rings at noon and then 90 minutes after noon, well, 60 minutes after noon would be 1 o'clock. 90 minutes after noon would be choice D, 1:30. Because 90 minutes is 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. And you can think of these 60 minutes as 1 hour that gets added to that. So that makes 1 o'clock plus the 30 minutes makes 1:30. Most important thing is that recognizing that this is a least common multiple problem.